Oh! Do I have full authority?
Yeah.
Break as much as I want?
Oh. All right, guys, here is the old Max, aka my only Max. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize I was missing all this here. But guess what, guys? Today, we're going to be rejuvenating my V2 wide Max here. This is basically what I started the channel with. So I really appreciate you guys that have been here from the beginning with this Max, and she's been through everything. So I think she deserves some love today. What do you guys think? All right, so we're gonna save the tires for later. She's gonna go over there. And then we're gonna get to doing these and these axles, but first I'm gonna have to take the tires off. So I'm gonna be getting a brand new body here that I'm gonna be using the E6000 method. I'm gonna be using the concrete tape. I'm gonna be going live right after I shoot this little video. So I hope you guys enjoy that of me doing the whole process. However, before I do the live, I wanna do the satisfaction of ripping this open. Oh my gosh, look at this. This looks so good. All right, guys, I got the brand new body on my Max and the trail hubs on my Max. We're about to go rip it. We got 2 other Maxes out here right now. This is the most beautiful it'll ever look, so the body's about to get totally destroyed. Let's go see how these trail hubs hold up to me, and then we're gonna see how they hold up to Kass in a minute as well. And I also put the belted tires on here too. We're gonna see how well it is. The hubs used to be the biggest problem on the Max, where the little joints would pop out. No, not the body. No, my brand new body. No. I love this orange. There's John's Max. John's Max on backflips, doing backflips. Oh yeah, belted, I can't backflip with it. Yeah, the belted tires don't look like a backflip. That was just the first jump though. That was a smack. End over end on the new body. No problem on the hubs though. Ooh, landed right on the hubs. There we go. There's a backflip. And a tree. Here's Kass with a big rock. What you doing over here? Go find the hills? Yeah. Okay. Kass and I are gonna go over here to the hills. Let's see how well these trail hubs work. This belted tire is pretty good. They do not balloon. Oh! My new body!
You said I was gonna ruin it. Do you want a kiss?
Oh. Thought you actually wanted a kiss.
Oh, I do want a kiss.
This hill's a little wet. Oh, I forgot to plug these holes. I got a stick. Oh, big rock. Big rock tumble. Look at her. She's all happy. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. The hill looks bigger now. Chill out, chill out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put this thing on 6S. These axles, everything's holding up great. Thank you. Oh, here comes Byron. You got the paddles on that thing? Yeah?
So you're just slapping all over the place.
Oh! That was a good thing to test out the trail parts. We're good. Didn't pop out like they usually would. What's crazy is, honestly, going back to Traxxas batteries, it feels like it has no punch.
Oh my God!
How close was that? Look at the tire. Oh my God.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh my God. Oh! Oh! Oh my God. Oh my God.
She broke it.
She broke the big rock? How did you break the big rock?
Left tire.
And Byron didn't break it. Is it the A-arm? Oh yeah, you done pulled the A-arm right out. Kass, how you break an Arma?
Because it's an Arma.
She knows.
It's an Arma. I lasted through a battery.
Yes, you did. Good job.
No, you didn't. You broke it.
That's the battery.
Whoa. Oh. I'm landing right on the hubs and they're not doing nothing. Oh my God. Oh my God, Austin. 6S Maxx crazy. Oh, I forgot that concrete's there. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, I'm landing right on the hubs. I know it's grass, but it's still not a problem. Austin over here done flipped his 6S Maxx too many times.
Trying to do multiple flips and land with this thing is a pain because once it starts spinning, it just wants to.
I saw that, man. You might win the next backflip competition. I think you will. Okay, guys, honestly, with the belted, you're not gonna get as much rotation, and I knew that, but now we're gonna let Kass try it out here.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
With the trail hubs to see if she can break it. All right, now we put the bachelor body on here and we're gonna let Kass try it out. With the trail hubs, I couldn't break them, so we'll see if Kass can break them.
See if Byron can break him first.
Go have fun.
Okay.
He's gonna slam it right into a tree.
I really thought you were.
Oh, like this?
Broke him. Broke the everything. Glad I kept that bachelor body because I knew Kass would destroy it.
Yeah, like that?
Oh. If that wasn't a good test for the trail hubs, I don't know what's gonna be.
I just started a thud. No driving, woman.
Is it good? No.
Oh, no, something ain't good.
Did the hubs break? Please tell me the hubs didn't break. Turn it. It could just be the servo.
I think something over here broke. You broke the steering rack.
I don't know what that means, but yeah!
You don't have any more toys to play with.
No!
Why can't I see that bearing?
Oh, yeah, she broke. Yeah, yeah. Hey, she broke the bulkhead.
The bulkhead.
She broke the bulkhead.
That's like a $70 fee.
I can buy it.
Yeah, you're gonna be buying it, Sugar Mama. What do you think this is? Well, we know the trail hubs are good, but now the weakest point is the bulkhead. Right here.
You see this?
Crack.
This is all ripped.
That's the thing that keeps the car together, the bulkhead.
See that thing he's pointing at?
Crack. And then the steering rack, too.
So can I still drive it?
Yeah, just, hey, send it.
Same thing we do to Arma. Come on.
Psychopath is all that is. Backflip and it's broken.
It's got the ka-chow. Oh, ka-chow. I like how she didn't put the body back on.
I know.
That's my favorite thing.
She's like a little kid. Look at her face.
It's so bad. It's ka-chow.
The bumper's broken.
But this thing's still steering better than the Creightons when they break.
Yeah, the Creightons don't steer at all.
I mean,
Look at the ka-chow mod. It's only steering with one tire.
Do I have full authority?
Yeah.
Brake as much as I want?
yeah, you paying for it.
Okay. Can't turn.
Watch out, John. It's broken. She broke the bulkhead with your ramp.
I'm scared what you're doing.
I know. I am too.
So do I get to drive the sledge now?
No.
No.
You just broke the most durable car.
I think she's going to decide to fix the body now. I do it a Chevy. Oh my gosh. Don't hit it. Really? Oh, I think you just finished it because that sounded, I heard things snap. Bulkhead's broken even more. Look, grab this tire right here, put your foot right here, and just do that. But you got to pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Oh. Look at that gap.
You want to see this wicked dance move?
I see it. Hey, Brett, it's done. She hit something, and I heard a little bit more of a snap, crackle, and pop.
Oh,
and
no. What happened? What happened?
You can literally pull it apart now.
You want to see my dance move?
I do. Let me see your dance move. That's why I was trying to hand you the controller. I didn't do that.
No, hold on. You're supposed to do. You're supposed to do this right here. You're supposed to get right here on this side, and then do it.
The whole bulkhead is moving. Well, yeah. Oh.
Oh. Can I break it?
Yeah, if you can pull it
Nope,
out.
I can't. But here you go. Drive it home.
Yeah, it's Traxxas. Drive it back home.
Drive it back to the car.
All right, guys. I told Kass to see if she could break the trail parts. Well, she ended up breaking everything around it.
Oh my God. Hey, just keep spinning it. I think it's fine.
She might be more. just laughed?
No, hold on. #1 psychopath right here.
She could break Traxxas pretty easy. Oh my god.
She just smacks into everything with it. Do it. Keep it floored. Just floor it. Just let it. Oh my gosh. Watch out, Kass! Look at that chunk of grass you just pulled up, Brett.
Yeah.
You just moved 3 acres of land. Here you go, Brett.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. What are you doing? That's gonna be a bald spot on the earth. It's gonna be like your forehead and mine.
That motor's gonna be on fire.
There is no fan on that motor.
So guys, it was a wonderful day hanging out with Kass and Byron and all the guys, but yes, as you can see here, Kass totally destroyed the whole front end of my Max, breaking the bulkhead, breaking the steering bell crank, and it's literally sitting outside of the truck.